further demonstrate its resolve in ensuring environmental cleanliness, ENTRACO officials and some volunteers recently embarked on a mop-up sanitation exercise in Owerri, Imo State capital. The team traversed the length and breadth of the major streets of Owerri, sensitizing residents and shop owners on the need to keep their surroundings clean. Speaking at the end of the exercise, the general manager of ENTRACO, Honorable Alex Emeziam, said the commission is working tirelessly to put Imo back on track as the cleanest state in the country and warn the people against indiscriminate dumping of refuse.
We have gone round major streets in the town, alerting people to know that henceforth they have to bag their refuse. They must keep the environment clean. That is an environmental crime to have a littered environment. Every household is supposed to own a bin. Every business is supposed to own a bin. So that you put them there and not take them to the central bin, or you bring them in front of the shop, our compactors will pass by and pick them up.
The event also witnessed the inauguration of Imo State Clean Environmental Marshal by the former state governor, Chief Ikedi Ohakim. Chief Ohakim called on residents, shop owners, commercial bus and taxi drivers to key into the governor's vision of making Imo clean.
The mandate he has given to us is that this state must become the cleanest state in Nigeria by the year 2020. Mobile courts has been set up in the 27 local governments this period to make sure we enforce the law. Every commercial vehicle in Imo State must have a basket, either in his bus or in his taxi. If you litter your environment, you are going to face the law.
Honorable Emeziam said the primary responsibility of the Clean Environmental Marshal is to enforce environmental law in the state and urge Imo people to be law-abiding.
The mobile courts will sit on Wednesdays and Fridays. Offenders will be tried, fined, or jailed. We have the littering law, and we are now going to enforce our environmental laws.